I did know how to cook before this. When I was little, I actually wanted to be a chef, but I would say that this program definitely sparked the chef back, and it allowed me to just expand my knowledge on cooking in general. I made a brioche French toast with a stuffed cream cheese lemon zest mixture. So firstly, I didn't measure anything, but you're going to grab 2 eggs, crack them into a bowl, whisk them together. You add condensed milk, about 2 tablespoons of regular milk, and around 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. You add cinnamon and you whisk those together until it's around a smooth consistency, but you do want there to be more eggs than you have milk. Then you make the cream cheese mixture, which is around 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 whole zest of a lemon. And you add vanilla extract and you whisk those together until it's really fluffy. For the whipped cream, you're gonna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream with 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and around a tablespoon of condensed milk. You mix those together until you get like really stiff peaks, and you're gonna use those on top of your French toast. You put 1 brioche bread, a dollop of the cream cheese mixture, and another bread on top. You're gonna dip that into the egg mixture and put it on the grill at around medium to high heat. You're gonna cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. Then you're gonna serve it with berries, the maple syrup, and also the whipped cream. And if you want, you can add powdered sugar. It turned out really good, and I feel like proud of myself as well. I think that this program, it makes a lot of people a lot more open-minded with the people that you're around. It gives you networking, mentors, and just really fun experiences to work together as a team. I would tell Chef that he's a really great teacher, that he teaches people through a way where they can actually grasp and actually learn.
I told you.
That's kind of good.
It is good. Let me taste it with a beer. I'm gonna be eating this one. Good job, man. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Like, this is amazing. Like, all the flavors, you used all the flavors correct. Follow the recipe correct. The whipped cream is good. It's savory. You were worried about it being savory, but that's okay. The cream cheese filling, the lemon zest made everything, the acidity.
Yeah.
It married everything together. The maple syrup, the expensive maple syrup.
$13.
$13 for maple syrup. Anyway, the maple syrup, the brioche bread, the berries, everything. A+.
Thank you.
A+, but I'm gonna take a little bit more bite. Eat the rest of this. I don't need to eat this. It's perfect, man. That's good stuff.